Hi, Julie the Genie here. Just another tip for a better workplace atmosphere is to look at the lighting. The lighting, is so important. It really influences human vitality, mood, performance, alertness, all of those things. So when it comes to lighting, natural light is obviously the ideal, but in a case where that's not possible, LED lighting would be the best alternative. So it can really have a positive effect on physical and psychological well-being. And if our bodies aren't receiving enough light throughout the day, we start to produce a hormone called melatonin, which makes us feel tired and sleepy. So you may have an area at your workplace or your school, for example, that is older than the rest of the building, or where the lighting hasn't been addressed in a while. So it's definitely worth looking into. And if you need any help or advice, you know where I am. Okay.